Polycarbonate greenhouses and polytunnels are rapidly becoming the tunnel of choice for hobby gardeners and homesteaders alike. But are they really better than the competition? Today we'll cover all the pros and cons of polycarbonate tunnels in this, our 1-year review. These tunnels can get very hot in the summer season, and if left closed on a summer's day, temperatures inside can quickly reach 50 degrees Celsius or higher before midday, effectively cooking everything inside. However, the solution to this is very simple, and that's just to make a habit of opening the windows and doors every day and closing them again at night. In the cold winter months, when it's necessary to keep the tunnel doors closed, lack of ventilation can cause white and green mould to develop on the soil, causing potential bacterial problems for any winter crops. Due to the favourable habitat and shelter that these tunnels provide, they can attract pests such as rats, mice and particularly slugs seeking shelter from the harsh conditions of winter and early spring. Compared to traditional polyurethane tunnels or glass greenhouses, polycarbonate tunnels are much quicker and easier to build. Although it still requires 2 people to assemble, there's no tensioning or burying of the sheeting like traditional polyurethane tunnels. Polycarbonate is simply laid over the frame and attached with bolts and washers, meaning that construction can be completed in a single day. The semi-rigid nature of the sheets greatly enhances the entire strength of the tunnel, resulting in superior wind resistance and less worries in stormy conditions or gale force winds. Also worth mentioning that existing polyurethane or budget vinyl tunnels can be retrofitted with polycarbonate to strengthen and extend the overall life of those tunnels. As with all tunnels, the polycarbonate ones extend the growing season considerably for warm weather crops. For example, crops such as tomatoes and chili peppers can be planted out in the tunnel in early April, and potatoes begin to sprout in early February, here in the Irish climate, which is equivalent to zones 8B or 9A in the US. In the winter season, cold hardy crops such as brassicas can continue to flourish throughout the colder months, allowing for all year round food production. Over the course of the year, we found that the increased light levels in the tunnels played a huge role in the early development and improved growth in all crop varieties. While not as good as a glass greenhouse, there was less light diffusion than a polyurethane tunnel and considerably more light available for the plants when compared to a budget vinyl tunnel. The increase in popularity of polycarbonate tunnels seems to have forced traditional polyurethane tunnel suppliers to reduce their prices in order to stay competitive. Although both varieties are currently on a par price-wise, last year polyurethane was considerably more expensive than the polycarbonate equivalent. Glass greenhouses, however, remain at a much higher cost and aren't really competing in the same market due to the materials and the overall aesthetics that come with a glass greenhouse. Now that it's been a full 12 months working with these tunnels, it's clear that they were the best choice for us. Placed on an exposed hillside in a high wind area, we have lost tunnels in previous years. These polycarbonate tunnels have taken the worst that nature could throw at them and remain undamaged, as well as extending our growing season considerably. The company that we bought the first tunnel from and the sheeting to recover our budget tunnels is mygreenhouse.ie. who this year have extended their range considerably, as well as reducing their prices. Oh, and they also do a wide range of organic and heirloom seeds to go with the tunnels. I hope this video has been informative and helps anyone looking to add to their garden and extend their growing season. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe to the channel with notifications on, and we'll see you in the next one.